TechieCube's channel. Today we are going to talk about the installation process of Windows 10. Before diving into this video, the small subscription to my channel is highly appreciated and it will encourage me to do more videos in the future. Go to Windows 10 official website. You can see there are two options. Update now is for the old Windows version that you can convert them into Windows 10. And the other option is download tool now. Since I'm going to do fresh installation, I'm going to select download tool now. Select where you want to download and then start the setup. Accept the terms and condition. What you want to do? There are two options. Update this PC now as well as create installation media. I prefer create installation media. Here you can select the language, edition as well as architecture. I select the language as English, edition as Windows 10, then the architecture I select both so that I can use 32-bit version as well as 64-bit version. Then click next. There are two options. You can directly plug your USB drive and create a USB flash drive, or you can create an ISO file and burn it later. In my case, I am going to create an ISO file. Then select a place where you want to save your ISO file. Then wait some time. I'll fast forward it. After downloading process is finished, you can see where you have saved this file and directly you can burn this. Rufus is an open source software. I'll leave its link on the description box. Here, choose which device you want to create as a bootable USB. Then select the ISO file. Keep the rest options as default. Click start. There is a warning. You can see all the data on your USB drive will be destroyed. So make sure to back up all the data on your USB drive. It will take some time. You can see in the green bar, it is ready. Then safely remove your USB drive and connect it to a PC. Turn on your PC, select boot options and load the boot manager. Then select the USB device. You can select which architecture you want to install and press enter. Then select the language you want to install, date and time as well as the keyboard input method. Click next. Click install now. Here you can insert your Windows key. I'm going to install Windows key later. Select the operating system you want to install this PC and click next. Accept the license terms. There are two options, upgrade and custom install. I prefer custom install. Here you can see your hard disk. From here you can create separate partitions. I prefer to create 3 partitions. You can create as you want. After that, you can select which partition you want to install Windows and click next. You can see the installation process and its stages. and the machine will automatically restart. Then select the region. Select the keyboard layout. Then connect your PC to network. Now I am not going to connect my PC to the network. If you connect your PC to the internet, you can have more options. But I am going to make this simple and continue with limited setup. Create a name for your PC. Create a password. Confirm your password. Create a security question. Create another security question. Create another security question as well. This is the privacy settings. Read it carefully. If you don't want them to allow, click no and accept. You can see the fresh installed Windows. I hope this information will help you to understand the installation process of Windows 10, and all the necessary links are given in the description box. Please give a big thumbs up for my channel and hit the subscription button if you didn't click it already. Click the bell icon so you will not miss any of my future videos. Please remember to share this with your friends, and if you have anything to say or need more videos in regarding any other categories, please comment below. Thank you.